Very, very interesting week ahead. So, I mean, guys, we have FOMC minutes coming up. We have NVIDIA earnings. This is going to be a very, very big week, especially with what's happening with the market right now. I do see a couple of very interesting things here. You guys had a pretty interesting Swing Kings list as well. There are a lot of potential setups. Now, again, the market is selling off this morning here. So we do kind of have to keep an eye on that, just see how those setups are actually going to shape up. Today though, I kind of would expect it to be a nothing day kind of for just new swings, unless this market really starts to pick back up from these lower levels to the upside here. I wouldn't really expect all that much, especially heading into NVIDIA earnings and FOMC minutes, which we were talking about in the newsletter this weekend. But, ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. It's the good morning time. Everybody say good morning to somebody in the chat. Say good morning to me if you guys would like to. And as always, if you guys wouldn't mind, hit that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the YouTube algorithms over here. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot. We do have a couple of announcements today as well. You guys are ripping the like button already. Jeez. Hello. Good morning, team. Welcome. Happy Tuesday. So, again, the market's down a little over 1/3% here after the OPEX nonsense that we saw on Friday. I do have a little SPX strangle that I'll have to do something with today. Other than that, IBM is looking like it's still holding up all right here, which I do like. I mean, this is a pretty strong setup, even with the market selling off. We have, what else? This is another one that I didn't talk about on the watch list as well. I do like ARM. If this thing can get going to the upside, that would be very, very, very interesting. All right, who do we got here? We got Jay, Tor, Brian, Tabasco, Dave. One more trade. Please don't call me boyfriend. Are you... All right. What's up, buddy? All right, Dr. Bob, James, A-Rack, Rogue Civilian, Angel, Daily Taylor, Gerald, Romeo, and Pepe. Good morning, everybody. Carvana puts? I don't know. We could take a look. What's CVNA look like? Why would you try and get puts on something that's already down 2.63% in the market? I don't know about that. In pre-market. I don't really know about that. Here's the interesting thing that this is a weird, I mean, you do see this happen sometimes when the market starts trending higher and it starts to show those signs of a reversal. I saw, I believe, Goldman Sachs, I think JP Morgan, and then Morgan Stanley all increased their year-end price targets for the S&P, which, to me, earnings, oh, so you want to gamble is what you want to do. No. I mean, that's silly. If you want to take less than 1% risk on Carvana puts on earnings, by all means, do whatever you want to do. But if they're increasing price targets, like as we're starting to come off of the highs, I mean, it just seems to me that they're trying to trick some algorithm to provide some more exit liquidity for the big boys. That's what it seems like with all those price target increases, which I find a little bit strange. So, again, we talked about this in the newsletter and in the Swing King watch list as well. It's like, this is a week to be careful. I mean, I think NVIDIA earnings are on Tuesday. STV is in demand. Well, I mean, you guys should see my DMs all the time. It's crazy. Mainly from dudes, which is weird. Good morning, Vix. Thank you for the live stream. Lawrence, no problem, man. No problem, guys. Guys, I do these for you. These are live streams for you guys. When are NVIDIA earnings? Is it Tuesday? Sorry, today is Tuesday. Wednesday. I'm going to do... All right, just so everybody knows, I'm going to mess up the days a lot this week. I don't know when days are, like ever. Especially when long weekends happen, it's going to be bad. You already saw me do it on Twitter. I thought today was Monday, but I didn't. It's just the first day of the week, all right? But tomorrow's interesting. We have NVIDIA, Rivian, Etsy, Lucid, and Marathon Oil after hours. So that tomorrow's going to be big. Oh, Palo Alto has earnings tomorrow. Oh, I didn't see that. That's looking good. That stinks. Palo Alto actually looks pretty good. If you look at Pan W over here, like this is one from the, like this looks like it wants to get spicy again. This could be a fun one. I don't know. I mean, they have earnings tomorrow. I don't know. I don't really want to take the risk on that though. Maybe we'll get a nice post-earnings trade on it. Check Tuesday. It does feel like a Monday. It does feel like a Monday. Let's see, team. Oh my God, you guys are ripping the like button. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Happy Tuesday. You guys miss me? Last week was pretty nuts. TLT selling off a little bit here. Being an a-hole. Palantir coming down. Let's see. Where's IBM? It's hanging out in the green here. I mean, IBM's still looking good. We got to see what happens at market open, though, because the volume on IBM in the pre-market is going to be basically non-existent. What's up, Vix? Not much, Michael. How you doing, buddy? All right. The other one, I mean, Chipotle looks interesting here, too. Nice post-earnings trade as well. This looks the same as IBM. So, I mean, if Chipotle can get a move above, like, what, 263,180, something like that, I mean, you could get this move all the way back up to those highs at, what, 2725? That would be fun. So you feel like we're in confirmed bull mode? That's actually the exact opposite of what I said. I said we're probably in for a little bit of downside. Happy Tuesday! Yeah, I think this week is going to be like a chop around nonsense week, especially after OPEX last week, which I think was just VIX. I don't think it was anything crazy. And then we have the FOMC minutes on Wednesday, which, again, remember what happened at the last FOMC meeting. They basically pushed back all rate cut expectations further out and said that they needed to wait for more data. Now, what Powell also said is that he doesn't need the data to necessarily be absolutely amazing. He just needs it to be good. It's early. Yeah, I know. It's okay. It's okay. But yeah, I mean, how much selling are we going to do? I don't know. I mean, let's take a look here. It really is going to hinge on kind of NVIDIA here. I mean, we could get down to, I don't know. We could get down to maybe like 4936, something like that. Maybe chop around there a little bit. I don't know. I mean, we'll see. Maybe I'll do a little bit of like hedging, just some quick short-term downside positions this week on stuff that already looks weak. So maybe that's something that we want to take a look at. But other than that, it's going to be a little bit more of a relaxing week, I think. I mean, last week you guys saw, I mean, the DG trade, you guys absolutely drilled that one. There were a few others from last week that those of you guys in the Swing Kings course just absolutely slaughtered. I do have some Mastermind announcements, though. So once we get some more people in here, we're going to do a little bit of that. We have more details on kind of when these Mastermind links are going to be going out, who's going to be getting them first, and how long you guys are going to have first access for. So we're going to get that going as well today. Not today. Well, we're not going to send out the links today, but you guys are going to know when we're going to send them out. ES coming down. What do we got for data today? Anything else crazy? Nah, leading economic indicators at 10. Boss, yeah. I mean, we do have some Feds. Oh, yeah, tomorrow's FOMC minutes. We do have a lot of Fed speakers this week, too. But, again, like I told you guys in the newsletter, I don't expect them to say anything crazy. I think they're going to be pretty neutral here. I think they're basically going to say the data in general, like in totality, looks relatively good. If you look at everything, the last reading was a little bit hot. But I think a lot of those large banking institutions were very, very aggressive with their CPI expectations at the last meeting. I don't know why they were putting them all under 2%. If you look at Goldman's expectations, they were spot on. So when you look at the analysts and the kind of the comments coming out of Goldman Sachs, they basically were pretty much spot on with the month-over-month inflation data. And then if you then combine that with what they were then saying about their rate cut expectations, they were unchanged, which is one of the reasons why you guys saw me hit that absolutely disgusting 700% trade on SPX. Because what Goldman was thinking, I was thinking too. The COF and Discover buyout, I did not, but Walmart's buying somebody too. I think it's Vizio. It's something like that. Walmart, no, I didn't see I usually don't screw around with buyouts. Those can get a little funky, but no, I have not talked about that. Oh, did that completely fall off? Oh, it did. It did. Yeah, I haven't talked about that yet. When did that come out this morning? Is that like now? When did we get that? How much time we got till the market opens? 21 minutes? All right. Yeah, Canada CPI came out this morning too. The month-over-month actual was 0, so it was unchanged versus negative 0.3 previous. The estimate was 0.4, so those expectations are more in line with like what you would expect to see. Seasonal price hikes coming into January, things like that. So IBM still hanging on. Last week, Roku got hot as a result. Interesting. Yeah, I mean, we drilled Netflix last week too. I mean, I was waiting for that 600 to get hit, but on this day here, when we popped up and then started aggressively selling, I was out of that. I was like, yeah, no, there's no reason to hold that thing, especially with where the market was. They were free already, so I was just playing with house money. It was just how much more extra money was I going to make on that trade. But this one was disgusting. This isn't the trade I was in down here. This was the trade that I think a lot of you guys took off of Netflix. So still an absolute banger. Absolute gem. I'd like to see IBM get some steam here. I think it definitely could, breaking up above this couple of these upside levels. We had a really, really hot start on IBM, getting up to 189 on Friday before the market just wanted to capitulate. Buyout announced yesterday. Yeah, I mean, that's cool. I mean, good for them. Anything that's like buyouts and stuff, it's like the same thing as like biotech. It just introduces more uncertainty to the market that like I just don't want to deal with. Netflix getting hit here, so I'm out of that. But ES, it'd be nice to get a little bit of selling here and just see like which names, like which tickers from the watch list we have are gonna show signs of like some relative strength. So right now in the pre-market, it looks like IBM. Now, again, we're already in it, but it would be not. It's hard though to get a good expectation of what this thing actually wants to do because the pre-market volume is gonna be so low. Like we saw this happen with Ulta a bunch, where it would like pop up and then the market would open when it was selling off, and then you just see it tank right at open. Brosio, good morning. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, again, make sure, again, helps out a whole lot with the channel here, guys. Keep hitting that like button. Helps out a boatload getting these streams out to some more people there. You guys have been killing it recently. And then, yeah, same deal. If you guys get over... Actually, I think we're going to up the like threshold because you guys have been hitting it too much. Now it's 120 likes to extend the stream. So if you guys want me to stream until 11 today, got to get to 120. Got to get to 120. All right, let's see. I do like ARM, though. I want to see what happens with this. The premiums are probably going to be a bit insane. And that's been happening a lot, too. Like, some of the trades that we've been looking at, the premiums are a little bit terrible. But the trades still play out very, very, very well. Like, this has happened, like, 3 times where, like, you guys will take the trade. Like, it's either a little spready. Like, DG is a great example. Like, I called that one out on the weekly to you guys. But then when I actually went to moving the goalposts... but when I looked at it, like the chart looked great. We can just take a look at it here. I mean, DG. Oh, DG! Hot again. Oh, you guys are going to be having some fun with this morning. Oh my God. Yeah. So DG, I mean, you guys were entering right around here, the 137.80 area, right around 138 where my alerts were going off. But then when I looked at it, they were a little bit spready. So I didn't take it, but you guys were nailing that thing for like over 200%. I saw somebody even play the dailies and make like 1,000% on them. So those DGs are looking good for you guys too. So now we got to see what else is going to play out. They don't call me the swing king for no reason, ladies and gentlemen. And then, yeah, we got to see if we can get a day trade today too. Nothing here is really setting up yet. We got to wait for like the market to kind of give us a trade here today, which is fine. Again, I think most of you guys, the reason why you're struggling so much with day trading is you just like, you try and just like take every single tiny little setup that you think is there and you end up just chopping yourself into oblivion because you're using your discretion versus systems. Now, what I will say is that you can develop your discretion. And if we do that little fun Apex thing where I just get an Apex account and like screw around with it, like my discretion is pretty good. It's just, I just don't feel the need to do it. Because I don't want to be sitting here all day long and just being like, tick, 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 tick. It's just not for me. I don't want to do it. Like, but the swing trades are so much more effective for you guys. Feels like a chop day, a day before NVIDIA. You hope you're wrong. I would assume that as well. That's what I'm expecting. I mean, if we chop at the lows here, that's all right. But, I mean, I don't know. We'll see what we get. We will see what we get. And I hope you guys are ready for the Mastermind, too. It's going to be ridiculous. Let's see. By a show of hands, how many of you guys are excited for the Mastermind? Let's see. Are you guys excited for it? I mean, we've talked about this a lot. Again, remember, we're only going to have time to do one of them before I disappear forever. Yeah, that DG trade is playing out really good. Less trades, more ankles. Maybe Mara with a bounce off the 200. Oh, maybe we could take a look. Bitcoin's setting up like crazy on the daily. Like, you look at this here. This is nasty on the daily. Oh, there you guys are. Yeah, dude, this Mastermind. It's going to be like in it's not. The problem in the trading space is that, and I'll say this, when does it come out? All right, we can do the little Mastermind announcement. Hold on, sorry. There's like a cup here that I don't know where to put. Or SBS loses 5K and SCB banks that swing. Yeah, I mean, I'll hold that one. I don't really care. All right, so let's talk about the mastermind a little bit. So all of you guys that are in either the day trading course or the swing trading course are going to be getting first access to the mastermind, and you're going to be getting a discount. So guys, this is the last week to hop into the courses and make sure that you're getting first access. Remember, I'm doing 150 spots. And when I send this out to the other email list, the wait list, there's about 4,700 people on it. So your best chance is, again, those of you guys that are already in the day or swing trading courses. You guys are going to get that first. You're also getting a discount. But that link is going to be going out to you guys this Sunday. So you guys are then going to have about a week before I send it out to everybody else. And then we are going to start, once everybody pops in March. So this weekend is when I'm sending out those mastermind links to you guys. And remember, we're going to be talking about day trading and swing trading. And I'm going to be giving you guys like 5 or 6 more strategies that you can take advantage of in the market. But the most important part about it is we're going to go over like every single thing that you guys need to know about like what the actual important things that they would teach you in college are about like finance. We're going to teach you how to read every single like macroeconomic piece of data that's coming out and how they affect markets, and doing a bunch of like long-term investing teaching as well, like discounted cash flow models, investing in companies, like valuating them, and making sure that you guys are set up for complete success and are able to get up to the level of market analysis that I am before I'm no longer here. So that's going to be going out this weekend. So get ready if you guys aren't in there yet. And then remember, obviously the courses are just disgusting. Like the day trading mastery course, I mean, I think we're on it's fully 13 winning months in a row. We got to see if we're going to get a 14th in February. And then you guys know how nasty the swings are. You guys have seen it over and over and over and over again. Just the absolute just slaughter that we do with swing trading in the market. So again, that too is 50% off as well. So if you want both of them, the day and swing trading courses, it's basically buy one, get one free, or you could look at it as 50% off. So there you guys go. This is the kind of education I'm excited to learn about. Awesome. Awesome, ladies. Yeah, it's going to be awesome. So 150 spots. And I'll let you guys know right now that there are more than enough of you guys in the courses right now to take all of the spots. So if you aren't in there yet, it's very possible that when I send out that first access email, those of you guys that are hoping that you're going to get a spot from the email list are just not going to be able to get one. But let's see, team. Like Bitcoin's looking nasty on the daily. So I was looking at Mara a little bit. It's not looking as good. So I mean, maybe I could do a little like Bitcoin futures swing on the new little crypto account there. Let's see, where's IBM? Hanging out, doing a whole lot of nothing here. ES is just kind of chopping around, going into open. We got 12 minutes. SV is going to ride into the sunset. Yep. Yeah, this is like, there's probably, I don't know the exact date of when I'm gone. What's the pricing going to be for the mastermind? It's going to be about 1,000. But remember, you guys are going to be getting a discount too, so you're not going to be paying 1,000. It's going to be 8 to 10 weeks, 2 classes a week, about an hour long each. It might even go longer. Like, seriously, it might even go longer than the 8 to 10 weeks. That's how much information I'm preparing for you guys. Coin might be better, the better Bitcoin related ticker. You might be right. I was looking at coin. No. No, I need some consolidation. Recorded. They'll be recorded and you'll have access to them forever. Let's see. Coin post earnings waiting for the setup to show itself. Yeah, it's going to take like a week or two. That's fine. I mean, if Coin wants to chop around like that at those highs and wait for Bitcoin to get going, that's fine. Because then we have a Chipotle setup, but aren't Coin premiums crazy? I mean, I'm all right with taking the decent, like the pricey premiums. Like, we've seen it so many times over the last few weeks here that, like, I just say no on the premiums and then the trades go nuts. How long do we have to hop into the mastermind? Well, again, you're gonna have either this week, or sorry, not this week, the next week when I send it out, or the week after when we send it out to the email list. So there's gonna be 2 weeks. So basically, this week, next week, and then the week after. Let's see. ES moving down. I really want to see what IBM wants to do today. The package for the mastermind is out. No, I'm just announcing when you guys are going to get the links, which is going to be this Sunday. This Sunday. So there's going to be, technically, you guys are going to get 2 emails, just so I make sure I hit everybody. I'm going to send one. It's going to be the same email to the day trading course and the swing trading course. And then I'll also send it out on the STV Swing Kings Twitter account. So if you guys aren't following that yet, those of you guys that are in the Swing Kings course, make sure you guys hop in there. And you got to send me a DM with your email so I can confirm that you're actually in there with us. If you don't send me a DM, I'm not accepting your follow request. Sorry. No freeloaders around here. What's the discount on it? 20%. All right, folks, we have 8 minutes to go here. Oh my God, we're already at 50 likes. Thank you guys, I appreciate that. So yeah, the goalpost moved. To extend the stream, we need 120 likes today. Well, let's see what we're gonna do here. I don't see much craziness happening. There's not a whole lot of data. We have NVIDIA earnings after hours tomorrow and the FOMC minutes, so tomorrow is gonna be huge. Let's see, ES chilling right around 5,000. You haven't got accepted yet? You gotta send me a DM. You gotta send me a DM. If you don't send me a message, you won't get it. So yeah, the account is just STV Swing Kings. So just to make sure that you guys aren't missing stuff. IBM holding on. Let's see. IBM's holding on here. I would not be surprised if we sold off a decent amount today. I wouldn't be surprised at all. The Twitter account is different from the main one. Yep. It's STV Swing Kings. Why would I put out the watch list for free to everybody on my main Twitter account? That doesn't make any sense. Let's see. What else we got? What else we got to take a look at here? Let's see how AMD's doing this morning. We haven't seen what AMD's doing. It's down a little, but on the weekly, this is still going to qualify. Yes, you're basically looking above 180 on AMD for a weekly setup, which kind of stinks because we have NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. We're going to have to wait and see about that one. Like, I don't know. We're at a little bit of a turning point. So we got to wait and see. Also, I completely messed up my thumb this weekend. I was throwing around a football inside, and I tried to catch it one-handed behind the back. and I jammed my thumb. And then the very next day, I was cooking some chicken thighs, and I touched the inside of the oven with my thumb. So you can't find it. It's just at STV Swing Kings, and I follow it too. This weekend's letter was just the email. Yep. The Tito's bottle strikes again. No, it wasn't a Tito's bottle. I jammed it pretty bad, and then I burned the nuts out of it. The oven was it had already preheated to 425 degrees, and I just like went in and then up, and I went, and I was like, oh, that didn't feel good. I didn't realize that it was bad until I like showered later. No, it's not. It's at STV Swing Kings. Bro really hates his fingers. I do. I don't know what it is. My fingers just take a beating. The Tito's finger, that thing still looks gnarly. That hurt. That one did not feel good. Especially because vodka just went right into it. Apple Daily looks spicy. Not to me. Not to me. I'm not a fan of this one. Chewy. If you can break above like 1775, I'd be all right with that. LYV, early setup. Didn't I give you guys this one on like the weekly or something? Yeah, I mean, you're going to have to wait for this one to consolidate, but yeah, I mean, I don't hate this. Is this? Oh, no, yeah, this could be an interesting one. SV is listed as questionable on the injury report. Yeah, highly questionable individual over here. That's me. Very questionable. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I was saying that the other day. Oh, yeah, LYV did do the move. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got 3 minutes until market open. CVS. Oh, let's take a look at CVS. CVS looks good. Good call there, Tort. This actually looks really good. That looks really good. We can leave that up here. See, this is what I like to see. All of you guys that have taken advantage of the education that I'm giving you guys in those courses, you guys are super productive members of the live chat now. Now it's not just me hunting for everything. It's perfect. I can find most everything, but there are some of those gems that you guys find and you bring up where I'm like, oh, perfect. Those look good. And that's one of them. CVS, looking good. IBM, chilling. Chilling, chilling, chilling. Let's see. Palantir not having any fun this morning. Found it, send message. All right, perfect. Guys, I gotta run to the bathroom for like 2 seconds. You guys are like halfway to the like threshold too for extending the stream. I appreciate you guys. Jay's been watching CVS as well. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I love seeing you guys doing this because it means you're on the right track. That's what I want. So give me like 2 seconds. I will be right back. Just gotta run to the bathroom. Hello, ding, ding, ding. Market open. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see what we're going to get today. Let's see. Let's see here. Why is that not working? There we go. All right, folks. Let's see. All right, I'm just looking at stuff, seeing what's gonna happen. Where's IBM? All right, IBM. All right. All right, let's see what we got. All right, team. Time to shed his skin? No. Yeah, I like how this is starting off here on IBM. What's ES doing? All right. What else we got? All right. CVS. Where's that DG for you guys? Where's the DG? Where is it? Why is this not doing anything? What, are there no trades yet on Dollar General? What the heck is this? Are they just like Costco? Oh, is it going? Oh, it's going. Ah, did we miss it? Not really. I mean, sorta. Is that all-time high breakout? Yeah, it is. All right. I mean, we can take a look at this. We can take a look at that. Hold on. Yeah, the IBM premiums are flickering a little this morning. What is it doing? Yeah, that's weird. Where's Costco? Oh, I got a new phone this weekend too. I forgot to tell you guys that I got a new phone. Did Walmart have earnings? Yeah. Yeah, what's Costco? What's this look like? All right, cool. ES with a pop. There she goes. It's like glitchy. This thing's like glitchy. It's like slow. I gotta get used to this new phone. All right, let's see. Yeah, Walmart did have earnings. All right, there you go on DG. So where's this thing looking for? Oh, there you guys go. All right, everybody in Dollar General, how are those looking? The premiums might take a minute to update, but those should be looking really good for you guys. IBM looking all right, just kind of hanging around there. You're taking a stab at Tesla calls? Why? I mean, it's on the watch list, but that doesn't mean that you're doing it now. This is looking perfect over the next few days for some consolidation. Shares are up. There you go, Pepe. All right, guys, let's do it here. There goes IBM a little. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy on that one. I want to see IBM take out that high of like 189 today. It held up very, very, very well when the market was knifing too. So we got to wait and see what that thing wants to do. And then what else are we looking at? I want to see what this freaking thing wants to do. If you can get above 371, maybe I'll take a little flyer. But I doubt it. Costco looks interesting, though. Why is it doing that? Where can I then go? Oh, I gotta go all the way back out now? Oh, that's annoying. All right. I guess that's how we're doing things here. Yeah, I'm up 16% on the IBMs, or basically 17%. That's not bad. Snow's tanking a bit. SPX lost 5K with ease. Where's SPX? Well, it has to, yeah, it had to have. IBM losing, or sorry, IWM. Yeah, I mean, you could see SPX come down to like 4973, but it looks a jumpy here. Oh, there goes Costco. Ooh, baby. Yeah, that one could get real nuts. What the? IBM, what are you doing? Nothing. Do we have a little value rotation on our hands? That would be real fun if we got a nice little value rotation. That would be like really, really, really fun here. Let's see what happens at 7:35. I think I gotta cancel something. Yeah, I did. All right, let's see. ES right back down. Okay. If you guys see anything too, let me know, because I haven't seen anything crazy yet, except for Costco. TLT moving back up. Hello. Costco right back down. I don't hate IBM. I mean, it doesn't look value rotation. Now you're talking your language. Yeah, I mean, we could get it here. If Costco wants to break like this and really get going, I mean, let her rip. Let's see what happens at, what's the high here? 734.96. So you got to see what happens at 735. Interestingly enough, though, HD, I believe, was down pretty aggressively this morning. Here comes Palo Alto. They have earnings tomorrow. Yeah, HD was down a bunch. Oh, we don't need this anymore. That was for that break. Here comes IBM. Pan W, yeah, it looks good, but the problem is that it's earnings tomorrow. So, I mean, I would just, like, maybe I would do like a tiny trade on it. On a break up to like 390. Good morning. What's up, Tyler? How you doing, buddy? And then, yeah, CVS we got to take a look at, too. Is this going? Nah, that one's just still hanging out. Costco down. Nicola, as mentioned to you last week, up 12% today. That's nice. Well, that's real nice there. Your IBM contracts are looking good? Yeah, they're not. I mean, it's just hanging out. I want to see it break above 189 and then get into the 190s. It just, this is not going to help you. ES coming down like that is not going to be very helpful to anybody there. SMCI swung puts 88%. There you go. Those are, what is it down? Because the problem that I have with SMCI is like it has to move like, I mean, it's down $56. SPX swing looking good? No, I just ditched them at open. I ditched all of them at open. I don't hold them. Like I play for the when I play the SPXs, I'm playing for that overnight move. I don't want to leave it there. I just let it go. But no, that it would have to fall a lot more for those to go absolutely nuts. So, I mean, I just took the money. TLT, hello, bud. I mean, if you look at the it should what the we should be right around Yeah, you're right around this area here on the 10-year. You've just rejected a bunch of times. I mean, that could be interesting having yields coming back down. Done for the day on NQ. What'd you do? Yeah, again, like, I would not be surprised if we saw aggressive selling today. Look at this here. Look at that. Boom. Boom to the downside on ES here. Look at that, man. And again, team, if you guys get to 120 likes today, we'll extend the stream a little bit. If you can't, we won't be extending it. So again, I mean, it costs me nothing to do it. It helps me out a whole lot. Those of you guys that haven't hit the like button yet. Where's the level we're looking at here? Ooh, it's far away. It is far away. All right, let's see. Costco doesn't really care that much. It could in a little bit. It's just low volume. CVS holding on too. Where's like UNH? How's that doing? UNH doesn't look bad either. Are we seeing like a weird like selective value rotation right now? Is that what we're seeing? Because that's what it looks like. Here comes IBM. 20% on those so far. Again, that first target I kind of have on it is that 192.50. That's kind of what I'm looking at there for that first target on IBM. What's the risk to reward on it? Oh, it's locked here. Hold on, let me unlock it. 1 to 3.5. Not bad. Not the best. Not the worst. Yeah, 22.5% on the IBMs. I like it so far. Sorry, I'm no help. Yeah, well, it just seems like some value names are getting like. Look at this. So you have IBM that's chugging along here very nicely. You have Costco that's holding on, and then you have the overall market just being like, selling aggressively to the downside. See, then Palo Alto got hit there too. UNH just got bought up. And then the yields are coming down. So this is getting a little weird to me. There goes Costco back down a little. There it goes, see? Yeah, up nicely on the IBMs here. But, I mean, obviously, if Costco comes down below this low, I'm just going to kill it. It's like 728. If we can hold and start getting up there, I mean, I'd be fine holding that thing. I mean, IBM's looking freaking great here. Whoa, this is a big candle. This is a wild 15-minute candle for the opening, guys. I mean, the buyers started to step up here, and then the sellers just said, yeah, hold my beer. We're going to sell this thing off aggressively. Yeah, not much room left on the Costco. I mean, I might just get stopped on that instantly. Nvidia shares are down 4.8%. Ugh, that's bad. IBM still chugging along. Still chugging along there. There we go. It just doesn't care. Look at this. It sucks because if the market was having a good time today, IBM would probably be up 2-3%. Only up half right now. And this market is saying, oh no, down 0.5%. So, I mean, that's a really good sign. Is there anything else from the list that we have that's showing a decent amount of relative strength? I don't think there is. Oh, Chipotle is one. IBM still cruising. Yeah, Costco I'm probably going to have to ditch. I mean, this is holding. Yeah, this is it's got 40 cents left. And then I got to get out. For a Just a tiny loss. I love that. That's why this swing strategy is so... See? There it is. Boom. Out. Thank you. Easy. That's why the swing strategy is so good, because when the losses come, they're minuscule. They're like, oh, all right, you lost maybe 0.5%. But when the wins come, it's like, oh, you just made 10. Like, that's why they're so dirty. And I have no problem sitting here being like, yeah, it didn't work. All right, cool. On to the next one. Let's see. IBM cruising. Looking good there. Oracle swung puts, 100% gainer. There you go. I kind of want to look for something here. Yeah, up 27.5% on the IBMs. We're coming down a little, though. This market's probably knifing. PayX was the one I saw on the screen this weekend. Would be a shares play. What's this? Paychecks? Yeah, definitely would be a shares trade. But if you can get above 120, I'd probably go here 124.40, 124.50, and then target like that 129. And that would look pretty good. Gold is looking decent. BA flat RS. Reverse split? Oh, relative strength. Relative strength. Gotcha. There goes Palo Alto down. There's going to be nothing for us there. You looked it down too, yes, sir? I don't hate it. I mean, it's fine. I mean, I would take shares on it, if anything. What was... Where's Baba? Ooh, I don't want it on here. Because Baba could be an interesting downside trade if it's looking like it wants to. Sorta. Nothing crazy yet. Trev, what's up, buddy? How you doing? And there goes IBM down. UNH still looks interesting here, though. Yeah, I mean, I'm not taking this, but... what the what? IBM. What is that? What is that? We just rip, and then it's just like, all right, just kidding. Sorry, not gonna go. All right, let's see what we get on that thing. Now, there's not much going on here, ladies and gentlemen. TLT back down. IBM is being a wild boy. Yeah, it's been doing that. Well, that's fine, though. That's fine. We got time on them. After what we've done to the market over, like, the last 4 months, like, who cares? I can start slinging weeklies if I want to. Like, it doesn't... You guys have seen some of the most, like, the most disgusting swing trades called out by, like, anybody ever. Now we just get to have fun with it. Oops. Like, the list just goes on and on and on and on and on with those. But again, I mean, what were we saying in the newsletter and in the watch list this week? It's like, this is a week to be careful because this is most likely going to occur. I mean, we might be able to get a day trade opportunity today. It's just whipping. Those things are whipping around. Oh, IBM. Really? Really? That's what you want to do today? UNH looks freaking good, though. Ulta showing strength? Yeah, but we already nailed Ulta twice. There's not much we need to do here on Ulta. I mean, you could get a third setup here, breaking above our 537.20. Like, this was another one, guys. Fed minutes this week? Yeah, tomorrow. Home builders still green on the day? Interesting. Yeah, it was a little early to start playing around with stuff, but, I mean, if you're going to get that setup like a Costco, I mean, I'll take that 10 times out of 10. It failed. Oh, no. Whatever. I'm kind of rocking with UNH here. Except it's just not, I don't know. IBM, what are you doing? Get your butt back up there. Yeah, so we have FOMC minutes coming out tomorrow, which I think they're going to be reiterating a lot of the comments that they've already made, which could easily create some more selling pressure in the market. Easily. What do we... Oh, we have leading economic indicators at 10 as well, I think. Something like that. Yeah, U.S. leading economic indicators coming out at 10 today. Home builders green. All right. Nvidia, it's tanking hard. I don't really care. It's got earnings tomorrow. SMCI's coming down. There's nothing for us to do on Nvidia. What is there for us to do on Nvidia there? Yeah, the UNHs are a little spready. I don't know. That's not textbook there. It's just, it looks good, but it's not. Yeah, Nvidia was down like 4.5% last time that we looked at it, but like, who cares? Are we doing anything with it? No. DG's higher? Oh, hold on. Are you guys still killing that one? Oh, see, I mean, that's another one from last week that you guys are just nailing. So, again, you guys want access to the 50% off deal for the courses to make sure that you're able to secure your spot in the Mastermind as well. The Day Trading Mastery course, absolutely insane. The Swing Kings course, which, I mean, this was one that we alerted to you guys. There you guys go. There you guys go. So that 50% off deal is basically only good for this week, too. Because at the end of this month, I mean, we're going to be focusing in on all of the Mastermind members, again, making sure that they're all set up to go. So that it's kind of the last opportunity for you guys to get access to that 50% off deal there. Yeah, I would almost wait till we get down to like 49.81. This has got some room here to sell. But this is what we were expecting to happen, guys. We were expecting this market to start slipping here. But that DG is nasty. What are you guys up in percentages on DG? Because I saw some pretty insane ones. Like, I saw some of you guys up like 250%, Friday, off of one day. This candle here, the break that we got here. From 138 to like 145 here is nasty. Divergence on FedEx Daily? What kind of divergence? Freaking UNH looks good, man. I just don't, I don't really want to just be slinging UNH. It moves very strangely. Like, we've done it before. It moves very weirdly. DG approaching that 145 area. IBM coming back down. Yeah, like, what are you guys up in percentages on DG? I haven't seen you guys yet say it yet. Like, I know a lot of you guys were in it from what we were looking at last week, but... What the... This phone is weird. I got an iPhone 15, and I don't know how to act. I don't know how it works. You've been in and out of DG of the last days, 60, 50, and 25% profits? Nice. Why were you in and out, though? That's confusing to me. Why were you in and out? Oops, I just spilled all over myself. Why go in and out on that thing? This is interesting. All right. What are we going to get? There goes Ulta screaming higher. I mean, that was another gem. We had this setup on Ulta. This weekly break right here that we hit. And then we hit it off the daily there too. Oh, the option changes where it's scalping 40%, but you went 3 months out, up over a little 30% on DG. Nice. Nice. Yeah, the shorter expiration dates on those, somebody was nailing them. Like, I saw somebody drill it. Come on, IBM. What are you doing? Here comes SPX. Yeah, we got leading economic indicators in 4 minutes as well. Where is SPX here? Like, what's it at? 70? Okay. Costco looks to be moving up again. Yeah. Well, IBM is right. IBM is just flashing right around the entry point. That's all it's doing here. It's like, what, 20 cents lower, 30 cents lower than where the actual entry was? So we just got to wait and see what that one's going to do. If it gets stopped, it gets stopped. Again, we're always hunting for the 400, 500, 600 percenters. If you get stopped a little bit and you're down a little bit, that's why the risk management sections there are so good. Palantir having no fun? No, it's not. I saw that earlier too. I was getting interested in looking for something there, and then, oh, DG ripping up again. There you guys go. But yeah, Costco, I don't know. I mean, do I take another stab at it or no? Nah, I don't really like. That's the weekly. Nah, I don't think so. May make DG nearly free soon. There you go. There you go. DG looks really good. UNH sold off a little bit. Where's TLT? It's trying to get above 93 there. Let's see. Yeah, this could get spicy on ES here. Huh, okay. Google's flat on the day? I think Google was one that I was looking at, but I'm not entirely sure. No, it wasn't. It was not. Yeah, I might look at Costco again here. See if I can get a better price. See what's happening with them. Nvidia's down over 5% on track for... What did that say? Largest percentage decrease since May 2023. Oh my God. That's insane. That's a bit ridiculous. Since May 2023, that's the largest decline. That's insanity. Yeah, they're pushing this thing down a little here. We got what? 30-ish seconds for a new 15-minute candle. Walmart's flying high. Yeah, they had earnings, though. Tech is getting... Yeah, I mean, we were expecting this market sell-off to happen. I'm just waiting. I want to see what happens on this candle here. IBM, you pooper. Let's see. Lighten the option chain on NVIDIA? No. No. The IBMs. Yeah, the IBMs are coming down. Those are down a little. I mean, I'm only down like 11% on them. Who cares? Who cares? I kind of want to wait on that. Costco back down. I don't really see much for us to do here. There's not much to do. If you want to day trade and try to scalp this thing, I mean, by all means, but be careful. This thing's not really... After that initial sell-off, you got to be careful with where this thing wants to go because it's 50-50. You have no idea where it really wants to... Like, when you see this pop and then the aggressive sellers coming in and now you're seeing it consolidate at these lows, there's equal chance that it could break in either way now. Well, because the buyers were strong, the sellers were stronger, but maybe that was just the final selling. Who knows? So you're just waiting to see where this thing wants to go now. You do have potentially a little reversal candle here, but nothing crazy. Yeah, get your butt back up, IBM. Go up. I mean, that's where the stop... What's it? Freaking 185.60? That's fine. There goes ES. See? Looks like a boring day. Yeah. Would the market correct the gap? No, the gaps are not, in my opinion, gaps are nonsense. Think about it like this. Why does a gap need to get filled? Why? Why does the price actually have to trade in that range that it skipped? If the buyers and sellers are willing to transact at those higher prices, there's no need to then go back and fill. I just think it's stupid. The logic doesn't make any sense. Like, yes, sometimes maybe it'll happen where it comes down to a level. Like the bottom or the top of a gap is just a level. It's not like, oh, it's filling a gap. It's just saying this was the last time that price made a very aggressive move. It's just showing it slightly differently on the chart. It doesn't look like an actual level. It's like imagine there was a level created, but it just is an overnight move. That's all it is. It doesn't make sense. Like, could it? Yeah. Is it a trading strategy that you probably want to be engaging in? Probably not. Gaps are low liquidity ranges, kind of like price discovery. Yeah, sort of, yeah. And then there goes ES back to the downside there. Oh, IBM. You're killing me, IBM. Costco's still strong. Let's see. Yeah, I might take another stab at it. It looks nasty. Oh, that's the wrong date. Market sold off a lot. That's an interesting candle. What's Google doing? Nothing. Oh, the camera ditched. Oh, the camera. Oh, yeah, it's getting a little warm in here. Hold on 1 second. I got to turn on the air conditioning. Give me 1 second. Like, what I kind of want to do is just wait for FOMC minutes and NVIDIA earnings to come out and then reposition after. Like, other than that, I mean, I don't really feel the need to do much else. What's this doing? Nothing. Might be I'm just screwing around. Costco looks okay, but I mean, if the market just wants to just knife itself, I don't really want to be involved for that. I'd actually want to... Here comes TLT moving up a little. Let's see here. Yeah, like, I don't really want anything else here. Your Sox ass shares? Yeah, those are probably looking good. Yields are coming down here, which is interesting. You get a nice little double bottom on this. How's the 5-minute look here? No, I want the 15. Bitcoin, what happened? Is it breaking? No, it tried. I do like it here, though. Like, I like this consolidation. If you can break, what is it? You're probably going to go with 52885. This could get fun. VIX behavior's been strong, but SPY's not always in correlation. They haven't been stop loss incoming for IBM. Where is it? Oh, it's not. It's still got what? Whole dollar? It might. I don't know. If it stops us out, it stops us out. Let's see. But that's something you have to keep note of as what did the freaking camera turn off again? Oh no. That's something you got to take a look at as well, because if we start to see these breaks to the upside and they start to fail, I mean, that just tells us that we stop and we just stop. Like, that's the thing that you guys have to realize too about the swing trading course, is that, like, you guys joined it and started taking the trades when it was peak swing season. Like, there will be like months at a time where you're not doing it, which is, again, those are the concepts that we talk about as well. So you got to make sure that you're keeping yourself in line and saying, how does the overall market actually look here? If it looks bad, well, it doesn't make any sense then for us to try and take these moves that are breaking to the upside, because the odds are they're not going to follow through. Now, could that be a start of something this week? It could be, but we don't know yet. I like how this is looking, though. Like, think about it too. The IBM contracts that I have right now are down, I think they're like 13% in the red. If you're sizing for 0, what have you lost? 0.1%? With options, the way I teach, the losses are incredibly small, but the wins are massive. See, Costco's just tempting me here. Squirrels don't call things every day, but rarely wrong. Well, no, Squirrel, you were calling downside pretty early. You did just get it, though. I don't know what the exact plan was, but you were calling for downside for like 3 weeks. Let's see. Which, again, now I agree. After last Friday's candle, I was like, yeah, no, this thing's coming down. Harbinger of pain. Jeez. Cost premium is high. It's not that bad. I don't think I'm going to do anything until after NVIDIA earnings and FOMC minutes. Yeah, see, Eddie now has 30 bucks on the IBM swing. If it goes to 0, he doesn't care. Made 50% on Friday, taking profit on it. Exactly. That's how it works. I don't care if it goes down. Again, these things could all go to 0. And I'm like, whatever. They're not going to. Unless somehow IBM went, like, to down here. Like, which it's not going to do. Oh, it's coming for us. It's coming. Tesla put entry. I did want something like that, but Tessie was looking like it wanted to shift the trend a little bit and act a little bit stronger. Where's TLT? This is weird. TLT being up today with the market knifing like this. Yields down, stocks down. Somebody's gonna be wrong. Or it's just a rotation. You could say that too, or it's just a rotation. Bitcoin. I want to see ES get down to here. 5983. It's just being slow. Tesla puts at 25%. March monthlies. Second half of February going into March. There's seasonal pullback following OPEX. Was following through there. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Abort ship? It's not there yet. It's not there yet. It might get there. If it does, I'll ditch them. Let's see. Here comes ES trying to make a new low. Oh, it's close. It's close. Let's see. Now we only have like 15 cents. Oh, are they gonna let us in here? Or are they gonna just kill it? Small fallback with market positive for the year. I think that's most likely case. They're coming. It's got a little pop. I want to see ES down at this. At least, there it is. And that should have taken IBM there too. Nope. Dude, TLT's trying to get over 93. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Come on. Come on, buddy. Get down into the zone. Dude, Costco doesn't give a shit. IBM eyeballing low day. Yeah, I mean, ES is right there. ES is literally right. Well, it did break, but let me see. IBM I still have 30 cents left on it. Costco just looked like that was annoying of Costco to do that this morning. Feels odd to be in Google calls and IWM puts. Yeah, like the things are moving very strangely tonight. All right, let's see what this wants to do. New 15-minute candle. Nothing. Nothing so far. The only thing that kind of looked good was the Costco that just dinked me out of there. That's basically it there. I'll ditch those. Those can come back home. Bink. Gone. Alright. Let's see what we get. Now I've got like nothing. I got 0 trades now. Yeah, probably just gonna wait for Nvidia and Fed minutes tomorrow and then see what we want to do on Thursday. That's really the plan. I mean, guys, you got to realize sometimes with the swings, there's going to be nothing to do. And we just sit here and we're like, well, we just get to hang out. It's got to come down lower for me to be interested in doing anything. What else is there? I mean, we've been looking at a lot. I just don't see much else that we need to look for here. Amazon was one that I was interested in. How's that doing? Nope. Where's Chipotle at? Nope. DPZ on the weekly. That's going to take some time. Crowd. Did this thing get hit today? Yep. Nope. And then snow. So pretty much everything is just invalidated here. That was a nasty snow trade. This one was dirty. To the upside there, that one was absolutely filthy. Seems like a chill and wait for tomorrow after data. Yeah. Yeah. This is the thing, though, that I don't want you guys to do, so listen up. You guys have to be disciplined enough to actually do nothing. Like, if you get bored and there's no opportunity in the market, that means you don't do anything. It doesn't mean, like, and I see you guys like, oh, I scalped this. It's like, all right, cool. But it doesn't mean that you just go and seem to, like, try and look for everything else that you could maybe potentially see maybe a little trade setup on. That is not what you do. You literally do nothing. We just hang out and have a good time and watch charts. That's all we really need to do here. And then CVS, you guys were saying, it does look good. What's this look like? Hey, you're getting there. Snow, big hit there. ES back up with nothing. Yeah, CVS does look like it's holding up. EWZ and Korea, both green today. Interesting. What about Oxy? Let me take a look at Oxy. It's probably not something that I'm going to want to trade. Now, this is going to need some time. This is going to need some time. A lot of these things are just going to need time. Costco's just tempting, though. Costco's just tempting. Maybe we'll do it a little bit. I mean, what's the market looking like here? It's down at the lows, down 0.65. MEXX green as well. Emerging markets doing fine. Yeah, I mean, Lawrence, if you're not in the swing trading course there, I mean, it's going to be difficult for you to understand exactly why. But I mean, that's where all the nastiest trades that we've taken over like the last, like, what, 5 months have come from. Slow start to the week. No follow through. IBM, you had so much potential. And then no. CVS looks good, though. Energy, basic materials, healthcare has been the one I've been looking at today. That's really it, though. The heat map. Let's take a look. Yeah, Walmart, but that's off earnings. Coca-Cola looks good. Beverages. Raytheon's up. Raytheon's up. Oh, yeah, you guys got that one there. That one was the one that I cut a little early. I just took a little tiny... I think it was a gain on it, but I'm not sure. NVT? What's that? You look at it like this, it may not look too bad. See, a lot of these things just look like they want to roll over. It doesn't make me all that excited about slinging anything. So we just wait. We just hang out. Wait for good opportunities. That's what being a trader is. It's not like, ooh, excitement all the time. I wouldn't be opposed to like playing around with some SPX today, though. Especially later in the day. That could be real fun. TRP? That doesn't look that bad. What's this? Oil and gas pipelines? I don't hate that. I don't hate that. Oh, that's the weekly. Hold on. The daily's probably going to look awful. Yeah, I don't like the daily. Man, like if ES can come down into here and chop around, I wouldn't be opposed to playing around with it. You're still holding some RTX December? Yeah. Those need a lot of time on them. I think SPX will probably be fun later, but nothing crazy right now. Semiconductor sports stock? Yeah, I just... No opportunity today. The Costco just got slipped quick. I would just wait. Oh, here we go. We got 7 minutes for a new 15-minute candle. Man. China stocks should be doing well too. They were getting hit. Baba was down a decent amount. 1.84. Let's check like PDD, Neo. No, and then Neo invalidated. We didn't get anything on that. It looked all right, flipping up above here. Needed more consolidation, and then just came right back down. Is RTX back in play? I don't really want it. It's just a defense name that like is just gonna chop around and like not move very quickly. This move looks big, but this was earnings. So maybe shares, but it's just not gonna move enough for us to really get anything on it. Bud is green. I guess craft discount beer is the value play. It could be. It could be. Your Neo is hit? Why are you trading Neo? I don't think Neo was showing us really anything yet. Like, if you look at Neo, like, yeah, you got this right here. This nice move. But how big was this? 2.5% to the open to close, but it was up a lot more. I mean, even if you traded this here last Monday, you drilled that one. When things are selling, you mainly just go shopping for long-term holds and stocks. Yeah, that's not bad. Well, it depends at the time. Like, if it's just starting to sell, it's like, yeah, you gotta be a little careful. Where's Palantir today? That's an interesting one. Ooh, that thing's dropping. Ouch. Palantir. Let's see. Dude, Twitter is so funny. Oh, shares? Oh, yeah. The JD daily chart looks sketchy. Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't go near any of this. This I definitely would not be playing around with. This wants to move down. Like, looking at this on the weekly, it'll become a lot more apparent. See? This doesn't want to do much here. It's just like, tick, 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 tick. Uh-oh. I really want to see ES get back down into here. Because you broke the SPX looked a little bit better with the triple bottom. You had this triple bottom right here that you could have bounced off of and then gap down under it. So now you're looking at this. It's like 495,660. It's like right around in here, but on ES when you look at it, it's like right here. This move. So it's right in this range, this wick and this BJ key level here that I'm looking at. Oh, you're just chiming into the other side. Oh, yeah. Tesla finally moving with the market, coming down. Weekly looks nasty for some down movement. COF? What's that? Capital One? Why would we do anything with this? This one doesn't look appealing at all. This actually is like a chart that I would always stay away from. Yeah, I mean, market's down 2/3%. We're probably just going to chop around and not do a whole lot. TLT above 93. There you go. Oh, the song? No, I haven't had a chance to yet, Squirrel. There you go on tally. Where's Costco? No, see, this is not getting that push. The market would need to come in and help a lot. It's trying, but I don't know if it's going to get there. Oh, that was the Discovery thing? The Capital One thing? Oh, that makes more sense. Yeah, so we're not going near any of the buyout stuff. That wouldn't make any sense. And there goes Costco back down. So, yeah, I mean, this is just kind of chopping around. I mean, I'm going to have a lot more time to prepare for the Mastermind for you guys, too. I mean, remember, those links are going out for those of you guys that are already in the courses on Sunday. So, I mean, this is going to be the biggest value drop that you guys have ever seen by pretty much anybody that you've watched on YouTube ever. So, I hope you guys are ready for it. It's going to be ridiculous. Like, absolutely ridiculous. Where's Tesla? I'm tired today. And they're selling it into the last couple minutes of this 15-minute candle. Ready for the Mastermind? There we go, Tori. Yeah, those are, it's going to be, I put a lot into this, into the Mastermind for you guys. It's going to be nuts. Those of you guys that are lucky enough to get one of those 150 spots are going to really, really see a drastic difference in how you're able to view markets and just overall performance. Like, it's going to be, it's going to be great, man. Tesla's also tired. Yeah. I mean, I don't hate the idea of Tesla puts here. I just don't really want to do much. There's not really much to do. You could try and scalp it, but like, why? You're just playing a child's game. Maybe later in the day I'll play around with some SPX, but for right now, there's really nothing to do. Mastermind of ankles? No. None of that. No ankles in the Mastermind. We're going to have none of that. Let's see. We could get a nasty day trade set up here, though, today. To head to Top Golf and work on the swing. Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm thinking of, too. I mean, I'm not going to go to Topgolf, but, I mean, I'm just going to hang out, do other stuff, eat lunch. Work on the Mastermind for you guys, make some more slides. Come on, just sell into here, and then we can do something. You're already in Tesla puts up 40%? Nice. There you go. Here we go. Come on, market. Get down below that low and go into the zone here. Come on. There we go. New lows. Yeah, it just tapped it. It just tapped it there. Oh, it's 10:31. All right, guys. I think that's going to be wrapping up the stream for today. Oh, you guys didn't even get close to the extended like threshold there. Not even close. So, team, I will see you guys tomorrow. Again, for those of you guys that haven't taken advantage of the deal of a lifetime for the 50% off the Day Trading Mastery course and the Swing Kings course, I'll throw that link down here for you guys. This is basically the last week for you guys to take advantage of that. Because, again, March, we're not going to be offering that deal. And if you hop in this week, I mean, again, you guys are going to be able to get first access and the discount to the Mastermind. So, again, really, really slow day here, man. Really slow. Nothing to do. Tried a little something on the Costco. Didn't end up working, which is fine. Got stopped on the IBM. So, slow start to the week. But maybe I'll be able to scalp some SPX later and have some fun. So, team,